my name's Jack. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Today we're going to be loading this tunnel.
What have we got done so far, Jack?
Well, I can crawl through, my little brother can, and we're digging a little deeper. That we finally shoveled the entire thing and we're able to crawl through. So this is all we got right now. Look at this. And we can go over here to this area and come out. And it's just a tight squeeze, but we can go over to this area and come out too. How was that? Is it fun? Now, what do you think we should do next in our next video? Leave some comments, okay?
What do you think about it?
I think it's cool.
Yeah. Give us a little update on what Sal did to your fort.
He peed on it. As you can see, we covered it. There's still a little there. And let me end this with a slam dunk.